So, hello guys. So today you all have seen that we have tried hacking into Wi-Fi of one hotspot and we couldn't do it. It is currently 10:24, 25th January 2025, which is Saturday. We have taken our first day session of ethical hacking workshop today, and I thought let me try why it is not working, why it did not work in the afternoon session. But now what I'm thinking is I tried it worked. Just to be on the safer side, I'm recording a video of this. So if at all tomorrow we will start working with this Wi-Fi thing once again. If it did not work, then I will be showing you this video because it is working currently. I will be showing you this video as an evidence that yes, Wi-Fi hacking can be done. So already I've told you about this YouTube video where I use it generally to show it in online classes. There I have used this brute force method to actually crack the password. But now what I'm going to do is I am going to use the word list method, so it will also be one of the methods that we can actually utilize for cracking the password. So now let me start. Here you can observe I am connected to IIT guest Wi-Fi, and just to be sure, I'm going to start the monitor mode. You can see I am connected to monitor mode. Now I don't have internet here. Okay, so now sorry guys, I am suffering from cold and all. Sudo aerodump-ng. So here this is the okay, let me search it once again. This is the Wi-Fi that I am trying to hack. This is a hotspot of Lokesh, who was actually helping you to solve your doubts and all while you were facing some issues with your laptops. So we are going to do it with this. This particular thing again, this is the BSS ID. So what we are going to do is aerodump-ng --BSS ID, and let me check the channel. Here the channel is channel 6 itself, so I'm going to leave it like this, and let's say we will call it as test demo, and let's say we are going to capture the data. Okay, now I have to connect to this particular Wi-Fi, so I'm using my mobile to connect it to the Wi-Fi. Let us try if at all we are actually getting any this particular Wi-Fi or not. So here I have to enter the password. Okay, I don't know the password, so I'm giving it to Lokesh and let him enter the password, where I need to crack it now. Okay, so I just got one information that this password is in a word list. This word list is by default given with the Kali Linux package itself, which is called rocku.txt. So here you can see we have got handshake. This is what we were actually trying for. I don't know, I still did not find out what is the problem, why it did not work in the afternoon session, but let me just show you how we can crack the password with this. Now we have got this handshake. If you just look at this, here you can see test demo 01.cap. This is the thing that we have to crack. So what I'm going to do is sudo air crack -ng -e, and here we need to give the name of the Wi-Fi. Okay, the name of the Wi-Fi, if you observe, it is 1+9R. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to paste it here inside the double quotes. -w, or I can also give --word list equal to, and then I need to give the word list. What is the word list here? So the word list is going to be rocku.txt, and the absolute path for this is /user/share/word lists, and then rocku.txt, which is there by default in our system. Okay, and if I click this, okay, there is some issue with this. Give me 1 second. -w is what we have to give, and we have given the same thing. If it is not working, I also have this particular thing where you can take it from all the commands. So here there is something about Wi-Fi hacking. So basically you can take this one, this is the cap file. Now you can see that it is trying to crack the password. Let's say we don't know how much time it will take, but it says 11 minutes 37 seconds. We are going to wait until then, and here you can observe that our CPU utilization has reached 100%. So this brute force attack or any dictionary attack that we do, password cracking is very resource intensive, and it is going to utilize all the resources. Currently my system is running on 16 GB RAM and 4 GB graphic card, and still it is being 100% is the CPU utilization. So the more resources we provide for the system, the more faster we are going to crack. So tomorrow anyhow in the class I'm going to discuss about one more thing, like how quick you can actually crack a password using brute force attack, how strong is your password. So in that you will understand for a supercomputer how much time it is going to take. For this particular thing itself, you can either go for some kind of a cloud instance where you can run this particular password cracking alone in any cloud instance, or you can also create Raspberry Pi clusters and you can make different tasks run on different processors, or you can also dedicate complete system only for this. So when I'm running this, I still don't have internet because I am on promiscuous mode, which is also called as monitor mode, and I'm also not running any of the other applications or anything. If you check, I am just running this OBS Studio, which is used for recording this particular thing, which is again it is taking some of the resources. You can see it is testing 16,000 passwords every second. It says 12 more minutes. It might increase and decrease depending on how much CPU it is utilizing, and here you can see 12% of the cracking is done. Okay, so we will wait for some time, and I'm going to pause the video now. Once the password is cracked, I'm going to get it back once again. So I'm going to pause it now. Where is the pause? So yes, I think now you can see that the key has been found, and this particular thing Hunter 1997, it has taken it was showing like 12 minutes or something, right? And still 6 minutes is left, and you can see how much within 51% of the password itself it got cracked. Total there are 1 crore 43 lakh passwords, out of which 73 lakh 92,584 passwords it cracked. 7 minutes it has taken to crack this password, and the password is Hunter 1997. This is the password that Lokesh has set. So this is how we can actually crack the password. So tomorrow again we are going to try checking it. If at all we are successful in doing it tomorrow in the class itself, well and good. If it was not possible, I still don't know, I am really clueless why it did not work. We are going to see at least this video and understand how this can be done. Okay, so that is the reason I created this. I hope you people are going to understand the situation and scenario, and yeah, let's work it out maybe tomorrow in the class. Thank you guys.